46 deportees arrived in Jamaica from the United States on Tuesday amid concerns over their health status as the Caribbean nation battles COVID-19. The returned residents arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston in the afternoon and were transported in 3 police trucks to the St. Andrew Hotel, where they will be quarantined for 14 days as a precaution against the spread of the coronavirus. Unlike what usually takes place when deportees arrive in the country, there were not many relatives and family waiting to welcome members of the largest group as a precaution against the spread of the COVID-19. In fact, the news team just observed 2 persons at the Knutsford Court apparently waiting to greet one of the returned residents. The male and female shouted the name of the deportee, who answered and made his way to the machine of the truck to view them. The deportation of the Jamaicans from the country with the most COVID-19 infection in the world triggered health concern among locals, with the government being criticized for allowing them to return home while the country borders are closed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Concern about the deportation were also raised when Guatemala government disclosed that many of the persons who were sent back to that country has tested positive for the coronavirus. However, both the Jamaican government and the United States Embassy in Kingston have sought to assure that the deportees will not pose a health risk. The Ministry of National Security has indicated that it has put measures in place to facilitate the safe return and accommodation of the deportee. It said that while under quarantine, the deportee will be screened 2 times daily by medical officers assigned by the Ministry of Health. At the end of the quarantine period, the deportee will clear for health officials will be released to the family members. Number of privately owned hotels have allowed the government to use their properties as quarantine facility, and hospitals amid the nation's fight against COVID-19.